everyone, so today I'm going to be doing my March favorites, and I don't have a whole bunch of new products, but I do have a couple new ones and some kind of like updates on some past favorites and things like that. So my first favorite has got to be my Cargo Cosmetics palette. This is the Emerald City eyeshadow palette, and this has been my palette for the month of March that I've been using for my like one monthly palette kind of challenge thing. So this is what the palette looks like. It's definitely very neutral with some pops of greens, a lot of golds and bronzy kind of colors, but I really have been loving this palette so much this month. I'm not going to talk too much about it in this video because that's going to be my next one, showing you all the looks I've done with it, what I thought about it, whether I'm keeping it or not, but just a hint, I will be keeping this palette, and it was just one of my favorites. So my next favorite, this is one that I've had for a little bit, and this is the Sleek Makeup Bare Kissed Illuminator. This one's in the color Pretty in Paris. So I showed this in one of my last Ulta hauls probably a few weeks ago. It's definitely a little bit different than the Boots No. 7 Illuminating like lotion that I used to love, but it's pretty close in the color. The only thing is I feel like this is just a little less moisturizing because it's obviously like just a liquid highlighter. It's not like a lotion like the other one was, but I feel like it's been a pretty good replacement for that product, especially since I don't think you can really buy that one anymore. So that one I've been using a lot. I just love to put it all over my face under my foundation, and then it just kind of gives me a really nice subtle glow. This next product is a new one. This is actually one I haven't done a review on yet, but I will be doing one soon. This is the Mega Cushion Foundation by WetnWild, and I was really excited that they brought out their own like cushion version because last spring they came out with their color correctors, and I of course did a whole video talking about those. So if you want to see that video, I'll have it like linked in a card here or in the description box. I was kind of surprised that they didn't release a cushion foundation at that time, but they released one this spring and I was so excited to try it. The one I have is in 106A Light Ivory. I believe that's the lightest color, but so far I really like this. I will be doing a whole video dedicated to this one in case you want more in-depth thoughts of this, but I definitely really like it. So the next favorites that I have, these are actually from my BoxyCharm box, and I stupidly forgot to use them. These are the vintage like eyeshadow brush trio that came with it, and I said I would try these out and see if I like them and let you guys know. So this is kind of like a little update for these. I definitely really like these brushes. I don't really have too many of these like little shader brushes, so that one's actually really nice to have in my collection now. I really like that one for applying to my lower lash line, and I just overall I found that these were really soft and I really like these brushes, so I've been using these a bit since I got them, and I thought I would let you guys know that I do really like these brushes. Brushes are also one of those things that I don't really ever buy for myself that much, so I always like having a few new brushes in my collection. My next two favorites are products. These have actually been out for like a long time now, I would say, but I never like bought these when they were just like in the drugstore. I actually ended up getting these from Big Lots for like $2 a piece, so I was like super excited because they were so inexpensive. These are from Maybelline. They're called the Color Jolts. I have two of them, and the ones I have is number 10 Never Bare, and then the other one is number 5 Stripped Down. These, oh my gosh, I love these so much. I don't even know how much they originally cost. I really love these. They remind me a lot of like what a true melted lipstick would be. So like when you say like a liquid lipstick, you know, there's the dry down kind of lipsticks. This one is more like if you just melted a lipstick tube. That's what this would be. I love these so much. They have a very kind of like sweetheart kind of scent to them, which I actually really like, and then they have a little brush tip applicator that it like squeezes the product through. I just love these so much. They're so comfortable on my lip. If I find more of these, I'm definitely gonna get them, but these two colors especially are like just some of my favorites, so I have been loving these this month. Another favorite, this is a new product. This is from OGX or Organics, and this is the Refresh and Full Biotin and Collagen Dry Shampoo. So they have a shampoo and a conditioner in the same like scent, but I have the dry shampoo. I don't own the shampoo or the conditioner, but my sister-in-law had it in her shower and I was using that one time and I was like, oh my gosh, it smells exactly, at least to me, like the Pink Sugar perfume. It has a very sweet kind of scent, which I would have never really expected from the bottle. Like it doesn't like look anything like the Pink Sugar perfume. Maybe it was kind of like an accidental scent, but to me it smells just like that. And so I have the dry shampoo version of it, and again, that smells just like it. I just love the pink sugar scent so much. I have like many of the perfumes. I just like finished one in my last empties video, but I definitely wanted to get the dry shampoo because I don't tend to wash my hair too often just because my hair is so dry and brittle. It kind of needs that oil from my scalp, so I try not to overwash my hair, but whenever I do want it to be like a little clean looking, and then of course it smells amazing, I'll use that dry shampoo. And this one, I'm not gonna really call it a favorite, but I really liked it. I only used it the one time, and that was the Pure Cosmetics palette with BoxyCharm. I only used it the one time for the video because I didn't want to cheat too much on my makeup challenge thing, but ever since I used it, I kept thinking about this palette, and I'm like, oh gosh, I want to use it again. I want to use it again, but I do want to stick to my one makeup or one palette makeup challenge thing, so I haven't used it, but I've been thinking a lot about that palette and wanting to use it, so not quite a true favorite. And then just some random favorites for the month. My favorite K-drama at the moment, I'm watching While You Were Sleeping. I think I have like 2 episodes left, but I loved that so much, and a lot of the times I don't like to watch dramas that are like coming out right now, just because I like to watch them at my own pace, and if I want to binge watch the whole show, I will. Sometimes I'll like watch like 3 episodes a night, and then I won't watch it again for like a week. It's just kind of weird, but I like to have the option to watch it however fast or slow I want, so that's why I like to watch a lot of dramas that have already been completed, or like some older ones. But While You Were Sleeping, I think that one just recently ended like back in November-ish or so, but such a good show. I love that one a lot, especially if you like the kind of dramas that have a little bit more of like this one's like very law-based and stuff, and different cases that they cover. It's just a really good one. So if you need a new K-drama to watch, I would definitely recommend While You Were Sleeping. And then for music, one of my favorites was the Hope World mixtape. Just loved just everything about it. Just great. So that is it for my March favorites. I know it's kind of a little slim, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below, and until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.